LaBrosse Auto Sales is pleased to bring you this 2008 Mercedes-Benz ML3, presenting a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar. Life is good at LaBrosse Auto Sales.